When this congratulatory message for Hidilyn Diaz circulated online, netizens were quick to criticize Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte because the politico's photo appears larger than the Olympic gold medalist. But according to Belmonte, this did not come from her nor from the city government. The Politico claims this is a black propaganda. Belmonte appealed to her detractors not to drag Diaz in their smear campaign.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.